Let's say. I like this wider honey. Look.
Oh my God, yung mga tao ba nagpapanik na naman guys, tignan nyo. Nagpanik na naman yung mga tao.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Nakakairita na itong camera ko ba. Kanina pa ako ng film and then error naman. Error ng error. Ilalagay ko lang itong mga kursan sa freezer kasi masisira kapag hindi malagay sa freezer. Thanks, Han. Ginagawan lang niya ako ng coffee. What happened, Han? What happened?
Nothing. I didn't really eat much.
She's not hungry. Maybe she's waiting for my bread. Kanina pa ako film guys. Hindi palaging namamatay. Iwan ko anyari. So, kung hindi man yun na-film, kung nawala man yun, nakurap man yung video na yun. Good morning! Yeah, good morning. Ako ng good morning. Namatay naman yung cellphone. Kanila. I want some rice but nakalimutan kong nagluto ng rice. I forgot to cook rice yesterday. Okay. I'm going to eat later kasi Roxy, every time na may kakainin ako and then Roxy see it, he won't eat his food because nakikita niya kumakain ako. Kaya I will eat later. Ito yung bread guys. Ito yung croissant. 4 na bag. Ziploc. Ilagay sa refrigerator and freezer para hindi masira. Kasi kapag bread nasa labas lang and then marami kang bread na binibili, masisira talaga siya. Mag-green or mag-blue, mag-moldy, mag-mold ba. Wala somebody's. You smell the bread? You want the bread? Honey, look, I have honey. Hi, Baba. You want the bread? You're such spoiled, you know that? Dada spoiled you, huh? Dada spoiled you. So ngayon guys, ang trabaho ko is naglaba pala sa tami. Nagtutupi siya sa mga nilalabhan ko. Iniwan ko kasi doon. So ang ginawa niya is tinutupi niya. Nilagay dito. Natawa na lang ako. Tawa ako ng tawa sa kanya kasi siya yung tagatapos talaga ng laba ko. Siya. Siya yung tumapos, siya yung magtapos, siya lahat. Ito sa taas yan. Maginaw sa labas guys. Bukas, maganda daw yung, hindi naman maganda, nasa 50 ata bukas yung temperature. So, ang gagawin namin is, ang daming dahon. Kasi natagak na yung mga dahon. So, wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw, guys. Dito lang muna yan. Ito siya. Naarawan kasi dito. So, yung parang paganon yung dahon. So, ang gagawin ko is i-turn natin ito. Ganon. Para para naman maanuhan yung parang mainitan yung side na ito kasi wala talaga guys. tubigan. Yung iba, okay pa naman yung iba. So, magtubig lang ako guys sa ibang wala ng ano. Kailangan na ng tubig. Ito, tina-transfer ko siya dito guys. Look, nasa ibabaw ng fireplace, di ba? Tignan nyo yung nangyari guys. Dahil yung fireplace on for 3 days. Look. Look, oh. Nainitan siya. Parang sobrang init. Nalusaw. And then, I don't know kung nasabi ko sa inyo. Ito din tina-transfer ko. Kasi walang sobrang patay na patay yung iba. Oh. I think nadamihan ko ng tubig or something. I don't know kung tubig ba to or hindi naman. Sabi pa, hindi daw ito pwedeng tubigan ng tubigan. Basang-basa pa yung ilalim. And then ito, nilagay ko dyan. So, 3 na yan dyan. Ito, wala ng tubig. Ano ito siya? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan yan, guys. Wala ng bulak. I don't know kung magbulak pa yan or what. Hindi ko alam. Ito, i-reframe ko to, pero i-keep ko tong original na frame. So, i-reframe ko lang ito, oh. Bibili ako ng frame na iba. Kasi, i-display ko. Si Bianan po yan, guys. Yung manugang. Yung mama ni Tami. And, ilagay ko siya dyan. Kasi yung sa amin ni Tami, ando naman, di ba? Hindi ko na siya ipasandig ba, patindig. Diyan din doon sa pinaka, Hello guys! Andito pa rin tayo. Wala pa rin tayong ligo. In-install ni Tami yung lalagyan ng pag ganun daw ito, tago dito. At yan. Knife daw ito. Lalagyan ng knives. And also, nagluto ako ng century tuna. Itlog sana yung iparis ko niyan. Pero, nagluto ako ng rice. And then, ngayon guys, nagbablog ako kahit wala na akong lakas. Walang lakas na. Kasi alam nyo naman, kapag magutom ako, para akong mamatay sa collapse. Para akong mamatay sa gutom. And ito guys, ito yung banana bread. Corn bread pala. Many loaves. Yung, binili ito ni Tami sa ShopRite. So, mag-init tayo dalawa. Baka gusto niya din. Meron pa akong lato dito. Sabi ko, mamaya na itong gabi. Magluto tayo mamayang gabi. And gusto kong magluto ng lamb. Maraming nagsabi na karne lang daw kami ng karne. Yeah, karne ng karne, guys. Ito yung kinaanuhan ko talaga na ayaw kong magutom. Hindi man ako ganito noon, yung magutom na, kapag magutuman, walang lakas, magka-pawis-pawis na, and then parang mag-collapse na yun. Nagkaganito lang ako mga few years ago. I think 3 years ago. Hindi ako ganito talaga kapag magutom ganun. Kailangan ko ng matamis. Yun. Kailangan ko ng sugar. I think I'm low. Yung sugar ko is very low. Kapag magutom na, mag-collapse. Ganun. This is good with coffee. Come here, honey. Have one. Good afternoon. Aalis kami. Punta lang kami ng plano naman. Punta lang magbili kami ng pagkain na po daw sa pusa. We spent a lot already from cats and dogs yesterday. So that's all we're gonna get to Walmart, okay? Bibilhan ko lang si Biana ng yung picture niya, yung picture frame para ma-display ko yung magandang picture niya dun. Probably hindi na ako pwedeng magpunta sa Adams. Because, hey, maybe we can find the one that you're looking for.
Yeah.
In Walmart, they have stuff there.
Maybe, I don't know if they have that kind of thing.
Bili lang kami ng tawag nito para lalagyan sa mag-impake kami. Para pag mag-impake sa isang bahay, meron kaming bin. We got this long time ago. Ito, parang Christmas siya tree. Dami nila dito, halaman. Ang dami. Uy, may rin sila dito. Nakalimutan ko dito pala. Look at this. It seems, hanap tayo ng pot. Malaking pot. Ito ba yung hinahanap ko? I think ito yun. Anong pangalan nito? I need to know. Uy, gabi, oh. Gabi ba to? Karlang. Karlang. Arika Palm. Ito yung hinahanap namin. Hopefully they have a cheap one for... Oh, yun. That's the one, right? Is that the one? Huh? A smaller one. What? Yun lang yung nabili namin, guys. Oh my gulay.
Okay.
Ito tayo kasi busy si Tami sa pagbibili ng pagkain ng pusa. Hanapin natin yung gusto ng aso. Ito, oh. Gustong gusto to nila. Ito. Tignan natin si Tami dito. Hindi pa yan tapos. Look, may kausap na naman, ah. Kung sino na lang kinakausap nito. Catnip. Right here. Ito yung gusto nila din. Kasi parang busy na siya sa may kinakausap na siya. Is this enough?
Huh?
This enough?
I wanted some more, but I gotta find them. There's a little like loose on the shelf, but I don't see.
Gusto ko to, guys. Tami. Look. I like that.
I like it too.
14 bucks. Can you get that?
I don't have a desk for it. I'll wait till I have a desk for it. Maybe the cheapy one. They have nice ones.
It's for your office, ba?
I know, but that's the cheapy one too. There's no weight to it.
Okay, let's find frames. 10 by what?
Head over there.
Is it?
Exact same one.
Okay. The same thing.
Same size picture, I think.
Yeah, the same thing that we have. Hey, I'm looking for a rug for that stall in the center table. A straight one. A straight. Oh yeah, like that. Oh, this one, look. This one I like. I like this. It's wider. That one is thinner. I like this wider honey. Look.
Same as this one, 25. It's softer.
Hold on.
Just softer.
Oh no, this one is nicer. Look, it's kind of rubber.
Right, that one's not rubber.
Look, touch it.
And this one's slide.
Yeah, but
That'll
that's kind of a
slide.
bit much.
There's no other color that
Really?
you like that. Okay, get that. It's
That
a,
gray one.
no. Is this? No, there's a different one. Balik na naman tayo sa mga walang stock. Ito na naman, guys. Takot naman itong mga tao na naman. Wala ng laman. Right here, oh. Oh my God, yung mga tao ba nagpapanik na naman, guys. Tignan nyo. Nagpanik na naman yung mga tao. Wala ng konti na lang. Wala ng laman. Panik na yung mga tao. Empty. Tignan nyo, guys. Wala na. Okay, ito yung nangyayari ngayon. Tignan nyo naman. Okay, guys. Tapos na kami dito. So, ngayon, napadami yung bili ni Tami ng mga grocery ngayon. So, yan. I think it's in here, right there. Guys, bad news, guys. Everything, people are panicking. My husband is a panicky. So, bumili ako nito, guys. Ilagay ko siya dyan sa ilalim. Pero bago ko siya ilagay, kailangan ko dyang linisin muna. Kasi kailangan linisin. Ang lagyan ng chemical. Yung wood kasi nasira. Dahil sa kakagrab ng slide ng chair. And, dito na kami. Bumili kami ng pang dinner namin. Galing sa Walmart. And salad, ang pagkain ng mga ashi. Ito, I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. Yung katawan ko ba parang, nanay. Anyari sa akin. Ganon. Ganon yung pakiramdam. Anyari sa akin. Bakit ganito yung naramdaman ko? Bakit ba, Ining? Ining! Mag-ining-ing tayo, Ining. What? Anyway, guys. Kinuha ko yung ano dun sa isa. O, wala na yung bulaklak dyan. Ito yung pangbahay lang yung sinuot ko sa ilalim ng coat. What are you doing, huh? What? Misty, what is it? What? What? Aray, ginoo ko. Aray. Busy si Tami sa alaga niya, look. Ang daming food. Dami.
Somebody being a pain in my neck.
Who?
Cool.
Spoiled animals. Ang dami na namang mga pagkain ninyo, ha? Ginawa niya na tong stock room, ha? Daddy's office is stock room now, ha?
Where are all these?
It's right there behind in yours.
Oh, yeah.
You keep buying food for them and look at that. Still a lot in there. Black and white. Open lang natin to. Sa Walmart, mura-mura lang yung ano nila. Yung mga frame nila, hindi masyadong kamahalan. Sabi ko, sayang itong picture ni Bia na ano lang. Hindi natin ilagay dito. Diba? Maganda na bata pa si Bia na nito, guys. Pero I will keep this old frame. Kasi ito talaga yung gamit niyang frame matagal na. So baka paghanapin ng mga anak, saan yung old frame? Ganon. Diba? Look. Even the paper is original. Original tandok. Original tandok talaga. Teka muna, be. Parang may something. Oh, nice. Look. Oh, maganda na siya, guys, kasi black and white yung surrounding, o yung nakapalibot niya na frame. So, maganda na siya. And compared to this, diba? Pero I will keep this frame para sa mga kung may maghanap. Kasi ito talaga yung gamit ni Bia na noong matagal. Noong matagal na.
What?
Look at this. It's nice, Han. It's more attract now because black and white in the frame. And the frame. But you just wanna keep buying different kind of thing. There you go. Si Bibi yanan. At saka yung wedding namin. I think okay na yan. Hindi lang namin ihang kasi yun lang yung nakahang dyan. I thought kakain na kami, guys. Pero ito, guys, ngayon pa nag-start nagluluto. Meron naman kami. I don't know why he doesn't do that for tomorrow. Pasta.
That's why.
Ha?
Don't do it now.
Nagluluto siya ng pasta. I thought he's gonna eat salad. I thought we're in diet.
I'm going to have salad.
Salad and chicken.
I'm having the old salad. You can have
And it's already almost 7 o'clock na ng gabi.
Well, you've been sitting there nice and peaceful with your game.
Game, you have a lot of cold. Ang daming tawag, guys. Grabe. Nakatapos, the other one almost done. And he said, okay, the other one is calling. Bye. Oh, bloody Han. Han?
Yeah.
What do you want here? The other leg? Yeah. The other legging. The juice came out, so that means you have to put it back. That means there's a lot of juice here. Oh. Hey guys, alam nyo guys, lockdown again.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Put your rice in your dish.
Rice is, I want the rice to be not heated.
Why is that?
Because I like it when it's kind of feel bahaw. A bahaw food. I think we're gonna do lockdown here, right?
When you like $100.
I think what happened? You think New York is locked down? This salad you just gonna season in your plate?
Yeah. How about you?
You want me to eat rice?
I thought you said you could have rice. I thought you said you could have salad and rice.
So, yun guys, ang nangyayari ngayon dito is, grabe na yung ano, even in Costco, diba, the other day, it's limited. It's not unlimited. You cannot buy paper towel and stuff. But Costco doesn't have only one limited.
And they had no toilet paper.
There's no toilet paper sa Costco na, so grabe na. Grabe na ito. Yung virus is gumagrabe na, guys. Bumalik. So, yun yung nakaano dito kasi maginaw na, getting colder. And also, I heard sa Australia also, ano na siya, parang lumala din daw. Australia, Han, it's getting bad too, Han. In other countries.
Everywhere's getting bad.
Every time na may naramdaman ako, maana ko, baka sana hindi to COVID. Kasi ngayon yung pakiramdam ko, parang yung feel na may fever. I think sa Ginaw ito kasi we went out. Ano ba?
Don't make me fall over back.
Kabayo, guys, ulit. Somebody's overdoing.
All right. Come on.
Roxy, come.
Hey.
Apay. Tapos na kaming kumain. I-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow, ano bang gawin namin ni Tami? Maglinis sa labas. So, yun yung gawin namin. Mag-cut kami ng grass. And also collect the leaves. Kasi ang dami nang nahuhulog. Ito na yun, I think, pinakalas namin gawin na mag-cut and then So, thank you guys so much for watching. And salamat guys sa panonood. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.
It's happening. So we reaction from another member of Congress.
Night.
From his colleagues.
Night.
Come on.